In a tiny lab, researchers unveil a batteryless sensor that runs entirely on ambient radio waves inspired by nature. It uses backscatter to harvest energy from Wi-Fi and cellular signals enough to wake up, sense, and transmit. This hidden trick lets devices idle for years without changing a battery, reshaping wearables and smart cities. The revelation challenges the need for constant charging and hints at a future where energy is harvested from air. The story reminds viewers that the tech around them hides astonishing efficiency tricks waiting to be discovered.